Looking for smooth summer-ready skin without the salon prices? In this 5-minute guide, we'll show you exactly how to do a bikini wax at home safely, effectively, and stress-free. You're about to save time, money, and feel amazing. At-home waxing has become a go-to in 2025. It's budget-friendly, convenient, and gives you full control. No more awkward appointments, just you, your routine, and smooth results from home. Great results start with clean skin. The day before, exfoliate gently to remove dead skin cells. On waxing day, wash the area with mild soap and pat dry. No lotions, no oils, just clean, dry skin. Here's what you need. A hard wax kit ideal for sensitive areas, wooden applicators, a soothing cream or aloe gel, an optional pre-wax cleanser, and baby powder for moisture control. Quality tools equal better comfort and results. Step 1. Heat the wax until it's thick and spreadable. Step 2. Test the temperature on your wrist, never too hot. Step 3. Apply in the direction of hair growth. Step 4. Hold the skin taut and pull off against the grain fast and firm. Repeat in sections, taking your time. Don't rush it. Done waxing? Soothe your skin with aloe or a post-wax lotion. Avoid heat, sweating and tight clothing for 24 hours. Let your skin breathe and never scratch or scrub. Healthy skin starts here. Practice makes perfect. Your first time might feel tricky, but it gets easier. You're building a routine that saves you time and makes you feel good. Celebrate that. Like this guide? Tap like, hit subscribe, and check out our full self-care playlist for more skin-friendly routines. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help.